Hi guys! Welcome back sa ating channel. So for today's video, it's going to be really exciting. Well, at least for me. Because may gagawin tayong unboxing. Kasi dumating na siya guys. Oh, what's wrong? Special participation of my actress, daughter. Are you okay? You okay? So ayan na siya guys. Dumating na siya. Andito siya guys. Hindi pala siya unboxing guys kasi parang plastic na siya sa unplasticking. So ayan na siya. Ito yung ring light na binili ko from last month pa siya. Dumating to siya a couple of days ago. Pero hindi ko siya inopen kasi gusto kong gawa ng unboxing video. If you are interested to see kung anong ring light yung nabili ko guys, please keep on watching. One from the app called Groupon. So I really like Groupon guys kasi you can find affordable stuff from that app. I bought this ring light for $40 guys, so it's not too bad at all. Hindi siya malaki guys as you can see, and I believe na yung size nito ay yung 16 centimeters. So we are now gonna open it. I'm very excited. So I bought this one guys April 20. And dumating siya mga May 26 or 27, ganyan. So, around 5 weeks bago ko siya natanggap. It took so long kasi nga diba sa COVID na nangyayari, delayed lahat yung mga shipping companies ngayon. I don't mind naman guys kasi hindi ko naman talaga to kailangan. So, it's not, you know, like a vital thing talaga sa aking vlog. Kasi dito, pag dito ako nagva-vlog ngayon, yung gamit ko is yung, ano lang, yung normal lang na light, tapos yung vanity ko kasi ang daming globe. So, very bright siya. So, hindi ko talaga kailangan ng ring light. But, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I'm gonna get one kasi in case nandun ako sa bedroom, wala ako sa room na to, then meron akong light. So, andyan siya guys, oh. Andyan siya. So, ito mahaba guys. Ito yung stand niya. So, yan. But, i-open muna natin ito first. Sobrang liit lang niya, oh. So, ayan lang siya. And, feel light and beauty face. Make face and eye in beauty. Ayan. Not Core Extreme, multiple color temperature. Meron siyang 3 light colors guys. It's white, warm white, tsaka yellow. First time ko to siya na ring light. So, very interesting kasi hindi pa ako nakagamit before. Sobrang liit lang niya. Uy, ayan oh. Ayan. So, meron siyang ano, 2 meters daw tong ano, yung lid. 2 meters. What's wrong? You okay? Ayan na guys. Umarte na naman ang aking anak. Oh, you okay now? It hurt. Do you want me to call the doctor? My phone. Mama call the doctor. Hello, doctor? I need you, doctor. Paris needs a doctor. Are you okay now? Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? The doctor is asking.
Doctor in the house.
Doctor in the house? The doctor is already sleeping. You speak to the doctor. Oh. Go. Say hello, doctor. Say. Say here. Hello, doctor. Tell the doctor where you're hurting. Say, hello doctor, my hands is hurting. Ano? So, ito lang siya guys. And meron siyang 2 meters na lid. Ayan. Tapos meron siyang on and off dito. And yung lighting. Para adjust. Ayan. And then, Meron pang laman. Ito yung panghawak sa phone. Kasi ito guys, for phone talaga to siya. Hindi to siya pang camera. So, hindi ko alam kung paano to ipapares sa camera ko. But we'll see how it goes. Ayun na. Oh, that one. Yeah. Yeah, can you open that one to mama? Tapos, meron siyang ganito. Ano to siya? Clamp. Got no idea how to use this one. Anyways, we'll figure that out later. Ang meron dito, ito ba yung manual? So meron siyang ganito. Very simple lang siya. Tingnan niyo yung manual niya, oh. Ano lang siya, photocopy lang siya. So, yung features niya, guys, sabi dito, 3 light model to choose.
Mommy.
So, it's white, warm white, and yellow. Then, there's 10 level adjustable brightness available. Scalable tripod stand highest to 160 centimeters, which is good kasi it means na it can be, you know, like higher than myself kasi 147 lang ako, guys, and this one is 160 centimeters kasi adjustable daw yung, yung stand. And rotatable LED ring light for different angle lighting. So rotate siya. So, maybe?
Mommy, please.
Don't know. Anyways. Mabilis lang to siya set up. So, ito yung box ng kanyang stand. What's this na? Meron siyang ganyan, bongga siya. Parang mamahalin lang. But seriously guys, for $40, I don't expect a lot more than this. Like, I think it's a great deal. And maganda siya guys kasi yung Groupon, if bumili ka ng dalawa at the same time, instead of paying $80, meron silang meron silang deal na $75. So, may $5 off ka.
Phone.
Is that Mama's phone? What would you like to do?
Play my phone.
Play my phone. Do you want to play my phone?
Dado.
Yeah.
Dada, you.
Paris.
Let's try again.
Try again. Paris. Be careful, anak. Don't do that to your eye, anak. Matuplok yung mata. Wala may doktor din, nak. Ganyan siya, Bi. Saan pagkuhan, Bi? Adjust. Hagalok na ko. Taas yun siya, guys. Wow!
A big one.
A pink one. What's the color of the stand now?
A big one.
What color is this?
Black.
Black? That's right. Si Nakbe yun. Saan mo ni siya, Nakbe? Martin. Kiss him, Mama. Love you. Cute. Unsa na yung pagtuo, guys, nga yan, may kulitog yung mata niya, Tapos ito siya, guys. Ito. Wala siyang kasamang guys, yung parang pantuplok ba? Plug. So you have to provide it yourself. Buti naman meron kaming mga extra dito sa bahay. So we'll see if this one works na. Oh, push the blue one. This one.
Mommy.
Come on, push. Wow! Well, that's not bad. It's very small, right? Very tiny siya, pero it's too bright. Try natin nakbi yung ibang... Ito, this one. Yeah. That work? Again? Ah! So, pag ito guys, oh, minus, oh, mahina-hinay siya. Look now, there's no more. But, if you take the plus, this one na. More. Wala, very bright. Ayan guys, oh. So cute. And this one is adjustable. So, up to 160 centimeters. Ayan. But binili ko to siya guys, mainly for pag nag-sit down video ako. Or pag nag-try on haul ako, tapos gabi siya. So, ayan. So, we'll set it to the highest. And we'll see what it looks like. Oh! Are you excited? Do you like it, na? Yay! It's very nice, guys. I like it. So, yan yung pinakamahabang level niya, guys. Ayan. Oh, so high, no?
Yeah.
See? Very, very high. That's good. That's very good. Kasi ito yung ginagamit ko, guys, na lighting. O, tingnan nyo. Sobrang daming lighting, no? Grabe bayad sa Miracle. Ayan. Ito yung parang remote niya. Ayan. So, pag hindi siya mag-focus man. So, i-ano natin siya, ha? Ayan. Sa left. Yes, my love? You okay? Ayan. Tapos, pwede natin siyang i-up. And we'll see what's the brightest. Ayan. So, yan yung brightest niya, guys. Sabi ko sa sister ko, guys, kasi nagla-live selling siya sa Facebook. Sabi ko, she needs something like this talaga. Kasi, ito, katulad ito, pang ano talaga ito siya, pang phone talaga ito siya. Hindi ito siya pang camera. Ayan, oh. Hindi naman kakasya yung camera ko dito. But anyways, kung wala lang sana tong COVID na to ngayon, guys, sana bumili ako at pinasend ko siya sa Pilipinas. But, even before COVID nga, guys, diba? Sobrang delay yung sa Pilipinas, ang tagal dumating. How much more ngayong COVID? Hindi na talaga siguro darating, guys. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, bili na lang siya local. Yung sa lang ba? Nasa barrio lang na mo. Barrio dyan. Hindi siyang ma-move kasi parang ball yung niya dito. Oh! Ayan. So, yan. Pwede mo siyang ganon, mag-face dito. Tapos, ilock mo lang siya. Tapos, hindi na siya mag-move. Very compact lang siya. Very portable lang siya ba? O, ayan siya, guys. This now, meron na tayong lighting sa likod. So, diba, guys? Can you see the difference? Ibang-iba talaga yung parang kitang-kita talaga yung mukha ko, diba? Lahat ng mga buti-buti ay nakita na siya. But that's really good kasi lalo na pag may papakita ako, pag nag-haul ako, ganyan. So, makikita nyo talaga yung mga pinapakita ko, guys. So, that's good. So, I think $40 for that ring light is worth it. Worth it talaga siya. I'm very happy with that purchase. And again, nabili ko siya sa Groupon, guys. If you are, I don't know if it's available sa Pilipinas or I'm not sure, but dito sa Australia, ganito lang yung mukha niya, oh. Ganyan, oh. Woo! Mag-lighting. Ito siya, Groupon. Ayan. And what I love the most about Groupon as well is that sometimes, well, every now and then, they do some discounts. So, katulad ngayon, meron silang ganyan, flash sale, enjoy, and extra 10% off site-wide. So, kahit pag ganito guys, $40 o $4 off na yan. So, it means $36 na lang yung ibabayad ko. Although, yung shipping niya, I think yung shipping niya was around $10 lang. So, that's not too expensive. So, andito na ang aking batang maliit guys, oh. Kasi, binuhos niya lahat yung bubbles niya sa floor. Tapos, yun yung daddy niya sa lunchroom nag-work. Kaya siya, umiyak siya. Okay? But that's about it for today's video, guys. I just want to share with you yung natanggap ko na ring light. And again, I'm very, very happy with it. Like, more than happy with it. Kita nyo naman yung diferensya, guys, before. Tapos ngayon, guys, kitang-kita na talaga ang aming mga kamukhaan. Sa mga bago pa lang nagwa-vlog, I think it's a really good idea and a great investment yung ring light nyo. Kasi, para maganda yung quality, para kitang-kita talaga yung mga mukha nyo, it just makes a lot of difference, guys, pag may ring light kayo. So, I think it's a really great buy pag bumili kayo ng ring light. So, magsha-shoutout lang tayo, guys. Magpapasalamat lang ako sa ating mga lovely subscribers para sa inyong suporta sa amin. Thank you very much. You say thank you na?
Thank you.
Thank you. Magsha-shoutout tayo. We'll start with Friendship Janet Gordon. Hello, Day. Shoutout sa imo diha. Shoutout to Marisol Dayaw. And Lifestyle Australia. Hello, Day. PKB. Shoutout CCB. James Rudolph Anuver. Hello. Shoutout. Heart of Filipina Bella. Joanne Ambe. Jess Shill. Little Miss Isay. Shoutout, Day. Shout out Maribel Patiag, Lolis Family, hello Day. Scarlett Corpus, taga Cagayan de Oro, hello Silingan, kumusta diha? Jedax Vlogs, hello, shout out. M's Journey, Maria Viajera, Jun Ray and Gina Gikan, Catalina Mempin, and Gwen Christensen. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!
Bye.
Say, don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Come. Bye.
be careful.
Bye.
Say, be careful.
Careful.
Bye!
Bye.
Flankies.